They call Lesotho the Kingdom of the Mountains. The government there has been promoting a shift from subsistence farming to small or medium-sized commercial farming. But there's been a poor record of collaboration in the past between the Ministry of Agriculture's Department of Research, farmers and Scarda's focal organisation, the University of Lesotho's Faculty of Agriculture. Now, though, all that is changing. Well, here in Lesotho, we're talking about farmer participation, and the farmers were gathered together in communities, consulted by the researchers and asked to vote on which area of agriculture they would like to see developed under the Scarda funding. And there are no prizes for guessing what they chose. This indigenous chicken project on a farm in the lowland area of Lesotho is a result of a new spirit of teamwork fostered between farmers and the agricultural research institutions, promoted by support from Scarda, and it's centred on an innovative technique of bringing together two breeds of chickens.
What we have here is a kwek chicken, a very prolific layer, but not such a good brooder to produce chicks. On this other runner, we have a little house for the indigenous chickens, which are found all over the villages of Lesotho. They are very good brooders. They can lay over up to 20 eggs and still produce chickens very effectively. So the idea is to mix the two. The indigenous chickens are also multiplying, but they also now are used to hatch, to brood and hatch the eggs for the kweks.
Scarda paid for the seed fund, which helped farmers to buy the chicks to start the test programme, and also for fencing and runs to house the chickens. Those involved are now being encouraged to pass on chicks to their neighbouring farmers to help to scale up the project.
These chickens are very good and they are very easy to keep. One of these kwek chickens gave me 18 chicks in one brooding. So they are very productive.
This is the tray where we put the eggs into the incubator.
A hatchery with an incubator is also being funded, and the programme is already showing that this kind of chicken production can create a sustainable income for the farmers involved.
This is also a learning for livelihoods for our children, because they observe this and they can take up chicken rearing also as a means of livelihood and as a way of making business.
The Farmer Participation Project is a prime example of an innovative system that brings together many different people and agencies in the Scarda countries. In the case of Lesotho, they've formed partnerships with the Ministries of Agriculture, Forestry and Land Reclamation, and Science and Technology, as well as NGOs, extension workers and the country's National Farmers Union. And the work there has been cited as an excellent model for other countries.
Given the simplicity of lay the eggs, brood them, and pass on the eggs for the other farmers and chicks, this program should be very sustainable beyond the life of Scarda, which is what we intended. Scarda was just to catalyze the process.